Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I have two cooking kits in my garden on Grow A Garden. So the first one I got was because I completed the core plants achievement. The common achievement, you will get one cooking kit for free if you do these achievements. I think it is pretty easy in my opinion. The shoveling is just a little bit annoying, but it's still comparatively easy than doing the other achievements. The second one I got was in the cosmetic shop. They actually have it now here. Obviously, you do need to look at it every time, and you'll see that it's going to be in stock up like on this tier. Not down here, but like here. So you will need to kind of look and check every single time if there are any in stock, and I was lucky enough to get it in stock, and so now I have two cooking pots which makes everything easier. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.